Hey guys, it's Tejas Pratap here, and in today's video we will be testing how long does it take for a game to install by the Microsoft Store using the ACT Fibernet. As you guys know, ACT has upgraded its plan from 100 Mbps to 125 Mbps for the same price, so I might experience higher speeds. So let's get started. First of all, we will go on to Microsoft Store, then we will search Asphalt 9, it's right there. Okay, so the game is approximately about 2.63 GBs. So let's see how long does it take to install this game. So here it goes. So it is right now pending, and now it has started. So it is at a speed of 12.6 Mbps. It's really fast right now actually. Yeah, so it is there at the speed of somewhat about 15 Mbps per second. So that's not bad actually. So let it get completed. And moreover, let me tell you guys that ACT has upgraded its customers plan from 100 Mbps to 125 Mbps, and as you guys know, ACT actually gives us more speed. So I am experiencing about 145 download and upload. I will soon post a video about that speed test. And ACT has also upgraded its plan from giving to 1000 GB per month to 2000 GB per month. So that is actually a lot of data to consume. So 1.3 GB is complete. It is almost half the way, I guess. No, it's not half the way. Yeah, now it's half the way. 50% is done, and it barely took a minute or so. Generally, when I download games from the Fibernet, it happens at about a speed of 1 GB per minute. So it takes 1 GB to get downloaded in 1 minute. So yeah. Okay, so yes, we are 60% complete. Yeah. Yeah, and only 300 GB remaining now. Oh, sorry, 300 MB. And there we go guys, the download of Asphalt 9 is completed, and now it is installed, and now as you can see I can launch the app. So this is how long it takes to get a game that is of 2.63 GB to get installed. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.